Hey guys, Danny here. I've had a few emails from some of you guys, and yeah, we know, and we're not really worried. The two birds. Here's the thing, guys. When you feel you have to cut the legs out from underneath someone else to prop yourself up, it's not a good thing. It's not a good foundation to stand on. We're not worried about that, and much like I said in my earlier video, that's the reason we say see it. Now, I apologize, guys. I've got a little bit of a cold going on. But the purpose of this video really is we've had 2 really good weeks. And while I don't really want to have to close off sales for about a week or so, we've been inundated by a number of requests for sample packs again. Now, for me to create sample packs on a 100-inch screen, I generally get about 15 samples off of it. We would need to create roughly about probably 3 of each screen, 4 different types. So we're talking about creating 12 screens, cutting them into samples, packaging them up, all that kind of stuff. So just don't have the resources to do the formula as well as the sample pack. So what I'm thinking we're going to do is just shut down operations for 1 week, create some sample packs next week and put those out there. Hopefully we'll be able to get somewhere in the ballpark, between 30 and 40 sample packs available for folks to be able to get their hands on. And then we'll shut it down, and we may do that again a couple of months later. We're not going to be able to do it every month, at least not now. Now, that may change, as things evolve for us. But we understand. We understand. People want to see, they want to touch it, they want to understand what they're purchasing, and we're all about that. So we're going to make that accommodation and see if we can't get these out there on the market for folks. We appreciate your support. Appreciate you guys who want to hear professional opinion. And from this point on, that's the way we're moving forward. I'm not involved in screen wars. I'm done with that crap. All right, you guys take care, and we will talk to you soon. If you have any questions in the interim, feel free to reach out to us via email, and we'll be glad to answer questions. Take care, guys. Bye.